sometimes lose our way, but I am never lost. I feel this way because dip, 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 dip. I got rhythm, I got music, I got my girl who could ask for anything more. I got good times, no more bad times. I've got my girl who could ask for anything more. Home and trouble, I don't mind it. Round my door, I've got starlight, I've got sweet dreams, I've got my girl. Who could ask for more?
Hey, good to see you again.
Welcome home, exhaust breath.
Oh, come on.
You know what time it is?
Yeah, I know what.
You know what time it is? You're 4 minutes late on a television network time. That's $3,000 per minute. That's
Tommy,
three times
I'm
seven.
sorry, Tommy. I'm sorry. I'm late.
6,000.
Come on, let's just forget it. It won't happen again.
Oh, sure.
We'll get on with the show. All right.
Sure, he says,
I'm
let's
sorry.
forget it.
I tried.
Let's forget it. Nothing more than fill her up and let's forget it.
No.
There's people out here waiting. What are you doing?
I'm-
The only thing that would excite you is if you saw a motorcycle wearing a two-peak bikini.
Now, Tommy, that's not true.
Come on, everybody, forget it. We've got dirt to discover on this show. Who knows? Maybe Dickie. Maybe jumping over hills will help in the war.
Tommy, you gotta have
You're
some
a
fun
real
sometime. You
liberal.
can't be serious all the time.
You have fun all the
That's fun,
time.
yeah.
You and your dummy little kids jumping over the thing. You might even win the Nobel Prize for handlebars.
Oh, handlebars. That's very funny, Tommy.
Yeah?
My buddies, as you so flippantly call them, happen to be some of the greatest race drivers in the entire country. There's Parnelli Jones and Dan Gurney. There's Richie Ginther, Don Garlett, Sweet Savage, Don Perdone, and myself. And we enjoy what we do. That's right. And just because you didn't learn how to ride a bike until you were 22 years old, and now you still got training wheels on the bike, you don't make fun of my racing drivers and my motorcycles. Do you understand?
Listen, piston nose.
Tommy, don't take your failures out on me.
If I wanted to ride, you probably don't think I could ride. If I wanted
know
to
you
ride,
can't
if I
ride.
took the time, I could just climb on this motorcycle, make you look silly and embarrass all your little kids that ride around on these putt-putts. I ride the big bikes. I could ride this circles around you without ever trying because I'm Mr. Coordination.
Oh, you think so? You think you made
In
me
fact, just get off the bike and I'll show you. Get off.
Are you kidding? This is my new bike.
Oh, get off. It's a kiddie's thing.
You know, it's
Any-
not either, Tony.
Any
You be careful with it.
dummy can
Okay, go ahead.
You want to see some fancy riding?
Go ahead.
How do you start it?
There's a little lever here. Now, put your foot on the lever. Now, kick back smartly.